The Prime Minister has spent his second night in intensive care receiving treatment for coronavirus, but was said to be stable and in good spirits in an update issued last night by Downing Street. A 3-week review of lockdown restrictions is due to take place on Monday, but may be delayed due to Boris Johnson's illness. The Foreign Secretary, Dominic Raab, who is standing in for the Prime Minister, said that ministers need to see more evidence that the lockdown is working before easing restrictions. The first Nightingale Hospital has started receiving patients less than 2 weeks after construction began. The temporary facility in London's Excel Centre will provide up to 4,000 beds equipped with oxygen and ventilators for intensive care, to be staffed by 25,000 doctors, nurses and support workers at its operational peak. It took just 9 days for building workers and 200 military personnel to get the hospital up and running. The second Nightingale Hospital in Birmingham is due to open today, followed by others in Bristol, Harrogate and Manchester. Sainsburys has lifted buying restrictions on thousands of products to make more popular items more accessible to vulnerable customers. Supermarkets struggle to keep shelves full during panic buying sparked by news of the coronavirus pandemic. Sales of pasta and long-life milk will still be limited by Sainsburys. Meanwhile, Tesco says it has recruited 45,000 more staff to cope with soaring demand in recent weeks, with sales of some lines jumping by a third during the height of panic buying. A third of people think that police have gone too far in enforcing lockdown measures, according to a new survey. 40% of those responding to a YouGov poll conducted over the weekend supported the approach taken by police during the coronavirus outbreak. Over two-thirds said that they were comfortable with police arresting people who refused to listen to instructions to go home. Some police forces have been criticised for taking an overzealous approach to enforcing lockdown conditions. And cat owners have been advised to keep their pets indoors to help prevent the spread of the virus. The British Veterinary Association said that owners should not be concerned about the disease spreading from animals to humans, but they warned that their fur could carry the virus if it had come into contact with someone who was sick. That is the news. We're back tonight at 7. When else? Lunchtime tomorrow. See you then.